Before we start this video, I just want to be very clear on something. I'm not encouraging anybody to leave their house, to come outside, to do anything. Make sure you are following the rules and all the safety precautions that your government has in place for you in your respective country, city, state, wherever you may be. What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Marlon, and in today's vlog, I'm going to attempt to do some street photography from my car. As we all know, we're all going through this pandemic. The world is shut down, and it's very difficult to get out and do what we want to do. The phase one of the reopening Florida went into effect yesterday, May 4th. And so they've lifted a lot of the restrictions we had. But today I have a doctor's appointment and I'm on my way there. And so I figured I'd bring my camera and take advantage of this, try to create some photography. So let's go ahead and dive into this, and I'll meet back with you guys after I get out of my appointment. All right, had my appointment, all good there. On my way to my boy Spatty's coffee shop. He is open and for pickup only. So I'm gonna go grab a cup of coffee there. You know, gotta support your local small businesses. So let's roll over to the coffee shop. Got my N95 mask on. Just gonna go out here and get my coffee. So I got my coffee. Just got a couple shots. Let's go ahead and roll. This is the Seminole Heights neighborhood. There's really not much going on around here. I'm gonna head over to Ybor City and see what that's like. And maybe we'll head downtown too. I saw this guy on a bike when I was driving down the street. I thought I could make a good shot of him, but I was too slow. I had to pull into a parking lot and then turn around and try to catch him, but I wasn't ready. And this is gonna be a lot harder than I thought. You know, safety first. I can't be out here doing this, getting into an accident because I'm trying to do street photography, but hey, I'll try. I actually made my way to downtown first. Just a lot easier to get here. Let's see what's up. All right, pulled over, switched over to the 85mm. Quite honestly, guys, this is very uncomfortable for me to do. This is no fun. It's not how you do street. I'm really not capturing anything from what I've seen so far. It's just not much going on, and my urge to create is you're gonna probably have to take the back seat. I'm gonna take a couple more spins around here, around the blocks here, and I don't know, we'll see. Security guard there talking with this guy. I think that's the federal courthouse. Pretty sure it is. It's kind of crazy, street photography from your car. Next time I'm gonna have somebody drive me. All right, check this out. I can't do that. Gotta keep moving. Don't expect any bangers, as they say. We got some folks here with yeah, they got their mask on. The first people I see with their mask on here by the channel side area. Got Emily Arena here. Not much I can get from my car seat right now. Got construction workers out here. Workers here. Got this guy right here. Picture. So we're gonna make our way down to Ybor City. I'm down here by channel side right now. A lot of construction going on down here. All right, down in Ybor now. One of my favorite spots in Tampa to do street photography. I haven't been over here in about 2 months, to be honest with you. Yeah, 2 months, almost 2 months. All right, 7th Ave, which is the main part here of Ybor, is closed, blocked off. The road is closed. I'm actually gonna try to step out of the car here real quick just to get a shot of 7th Avenue from a distance. All right, I'm gonna step out of the ride right here. I think I'll take a good shot right here. Let's see. All right, let's go. Got car. Let's see what we got over here. This GoPro setup is difficult to film this way. Check this guy out right here. E-board shut down, baby. The roads are closed. Right here, look at it. E-board's closed. Got people out here, look at this. The girls over there at the table were like, oh, he's taking a picture. They're probably like, what's up with this dude taking pictures of us? I need a zoom lens. I definitely need a 70 to 200. It feels good to get out a little bit. Oh, check these girls out. Everybody out here. I'm getting the looks right now for sure. I mean, I don't even get these kind of looks when I'm out and about doing my street photography when I'm on foot. But I guess because I'm in a car, it looks like I'm a creep. How you doing?
Hi.
I'm just doing street photography. Very nice lady there. See if I can get a picture of these girls coming down the street. Man, what's going on over here? Thanks for the picture, girl. Oh, you got it, you got it. Well, that was very therapeutic. I haven't done any street photography in a long time, and that, you know, I'd really that's one of my favorite type of photography. So I'm glad I got out a little bit and did this today. I realized the photos that I made today were probably, most of them were trash, but I did this more for myself, to get out and or take advantage of having to go out to my appointment today and create something. So more than anything, that I feel like that helped me a lot. It's very difficult for me to shoot from the car, especially since I was driving and shooting. I had to be really safe. I had to make sure I wasn't breaking any laws. I didn't want to get a ticket. I didn't want to hold up traffic. So I was very mindful of all that as I was out here doing that. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really could have used a 70 to 200 kind of lens today, but I don't own one. And I've been eyeing the Tamron 70 to 180. So maybe I'll end up picking that up. Let me know if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care, guys.